Springfield Elementary brightens as Principal Skinner frets over looming budget cuts around the halls today. Lisa channels reform fervor, presenting ambitious budget-neutral reforms before skeptical teachers and parents at assembly. Homer grumbles in the cafeteria, craving donuts while nodding reluctantly at funding forecasts for lunch. Mayor Quimby announces a charity drive to cover deficits, inviting Marge and comic book guy tonight. The chalkboard explodes with numbers, revealing a cascading cascade of decimal points everywhere during announcements. Lisa files a reform proposal, citing students' voices, parent surveys, and budget-agnostic metrics for transparency. Skinner commands observant staff, staging drills to test efficiency while flinching at jeopardized cafeteria funds. A budget workshop spirals as cafeteria trays wobble, revealing leaks in the system during recess. Bart and Nelson stage a chalk fight outside the gym, sparking crowd-sized chaos and laughter everywhere. Lisa mobilizes students, forming a budget watch council, handing out surveys to peers across the playground. Mo opens a side fundraiser, selling counterfeit raffle tickets to fundraise for school supplies secretly. Skinner confronts superintendent's memo, discovering shallow cuts factored by quarterly projections and gossip around town. Lisa addresses a crowded auditorium, promising evidence-based reform measured by student outcomes, not vanity tonight. Homer volunteers at a fundraiser booth, accidentally donating donuts instead of cash to the PTA. Carl jokes about fiscally responsible crusty burgers at the concession line while Wiggum bumbles paperwork. Marge hosts a town hall, everyone weighs priorities, including Chief Wiggum policing whispered petitions outside. A power outage hits during a vote, lights flicker, popcorn pops in frantic montage everywhere. Skinner negotiates with teachers while Lisa negotiates with students, both insisting on transparency and accountability. Bart and Lisa collaborate via chalkboard, highlighting funding inequities with superheroes saving the library. Mrs. Krabappel returns, grading passion projects with grudging admiration, giving extra credit to ambitious students. Mayor Quimby declares temporary funding, praising community resilience, while secretly redirecting funds elsewhere for reelection. Homer confronts reality, offers heartfelt apology to Lisa, promising to monitor wasteful snacks at home. Skinner drafts a revised budget plan, prioritizing classrooms, safety, and teacher collaboration across Springfield now. Lisa smiles faintly, recognizing reform survives through community involvement and humble compromises with ongoing dialogue. Quimby gives another photo op, while Chief Wiggum accidentally serves as security guard during ribbon-cutting ceremony. The family walks home past Moe's, where laughter signals communal healing and recovery for everyone. At the park, Springfieldians plant a sapling, symbolizing sustainable growth and shared responsibility for children. Lisa addresses the crowd, speaking in measured tones about futures built through collaboration and accountability. Homer wanders into the classroom, declaring victory, then slips on a banana peel during cheers. Camera pulls back as Springfield unites, ending with Lisa whispering, "Budgets balance, dreams persist peacefully."